Welcome to the short, effective, and intense Pilates class focusing all on engaging the abs. This workout's going to be about 5 minutes in length and you are going to feel the Pilates burn right in the abs. Hi, my name is Beth and welcome to Trifecta Pilates. This is a place where we come together for an effective mat Pilates workout so you can get off your mat and step into your day. If you're ready to get started with this focused class all on the abs, join me on the mat. Let's go ahead and get started having a seat on the mat, pressing down through with the heels of the feet. Reach your arms forward, inhale. Exhale, reverse. Roll yourself down onto your lower back. Roll right back up again. And roll yourself down. Keep the heels down, rolling back up. So we breathe out and rolling back up, breathing in. Find that low spine, trying to get down on the mat and then rolling back up. Low spine stays down. Bring your legs to tabletop. Reach one leg in front and in. Switch sides. Breathing in and out. Taking hands behind the head as an option. So single leg here. We're going to do double leg in just a little bit. Maintain your curled up position. One more time, each side. Pause. Press your heels down. Roll yourself up again. You guessed it. Roll back down. Roll up. You feel like you get stuck. Take hands behind the thighs. Rolling up. Rolling down. Just 2 more times. One last time. Rolling down, pause down, legs tabletop. Reach one leg and in. Second leg. Hands go back behind the head. Keep breathing. Now pause. Squeeze the legs together. Both legs. Both legs go straight. They can go higher to the ceiling or lower to the floor, but the spine stays really still, just the legs moving. Keep breathing. 2 more times. One last time. Shoulders and head down, legs at tabletop. One leg tap and lift. Second leg and lift. Breathing in and out. So still feeling work in the center. Continue breathing deeply. This is intense work, very focused, but we're not going to be here much longer. One last time, pause. Curl head and chest up, reach legs to the ceiling. One leg forward and up. Switch sides. Breathing in and out. Keep curling, reach your arms forward towards the bottom edge of your mat. Almost there. Legs up, bend the knees, heels press down. You guessed it, roll up. Oh, that's getting more challenging. Roll yourself down. This may be where you want to really rely on the hands for a little extra support or not. Always your choice. You want to feel the work in the abs, heels staying down. Now we're going to stay back. Come onto your forearms. Lift one leg up and down, switching sides every time. If you don't need your forearms, no arms, your choice. Almost there. One more time, each side. Roll all the way down, feet press down into the floor, hands behind your head. Up rab, curl, head and chest lift. Lower down, breathing out and in. Feet stay pressing down as you curl up and down. We're almost done with this class. Just finishing it off with this basic ab curl. Can still be effective. Staying up, rotate to one side, center, lower down. Curl up, rotate second, center, and down. Breathing out and in. Pelvis staying still. So really feeling yourself Engage through the abs deeply. One more time each side. And we'll add on a little variation in center, then we're done. Pause, curled up, reach the hands to the thighs. Pulse, pulse, pulse. Breathing out, breathing in, breathing out, breathing in. Last breath out and in. Pause, reach your arms to the ceiling. Reach your arms behind your head. Arms come back up to the ceiling. Roll yourself up, sitting tall. You can use your hands, extend the spine. Reverse, roll yourself down, hands behind the thighs. Roll yourself up, extend the spine. We're winding the class down, so not so much abs, more focus on that gentle spine extension. That was a focus class, right in the abs. Last one. Very nice. Allow yourself to stay upright. You can end cross-legged if you'd like. Take some breath here. Feel your connection to your center body right now. Directly focused ab work. Inhale. Exhale. Breathing in. Breathing out. And no matter where you go today, I hope you continue moving from your center activation. Have a beautiful day and join me on the mat soon. Thanks so much for moving with that Pilates class. And don't forget to like, subscribe, or comment if you enjoyed that routine. You may also like these other recommended Pilates workouts. Always keep coming back to the mat in the way that's best for you.